The march to victory is an eternal one. One does not question why strive for something unless it has already been achieved. But one does not declare, "I have achieved ultimate victory," for what follows is stagnation and therefore defeat. Every victory is but a stepping stone towards a greater one.
Victory is every time we pass a clinical laboratory test, because the challenge here really pushes us past our limits.
Victory is seeing your audience return your enthusiasm for what you do.
As a mentor, I believe that victory is about helping our students realize their fullest potential and guiding them to become the leaders of the society.
I already won when I became a scholar here at CEFI. Coming from an average income family, the institution allows me to follow my dreams for free.
Victory for me is every learning I gain and every skill I develop as I train to become a future educator. It is about being excellent in everything that I do.
Victory for me is every successful delivery at the hospital. When you see the look on a mother's face the first time she sees the baby, I mean, it's priceless.
Victory for me is every successful therapeutic treatment. There's this sense of fulfillment that I get every time I see a relief on my patient's face, and it's just like no other.
Victory is about serving others. It's about making a difference in our community.
Well, for me, victory is actually excelling in my studies. It's all about making my parents proud and bringing honor to CEFI.
Victory for me is seeing my students graduate and bring with them the identity of a true citizen.
And finally, we look towards a future journey with optimism and determination, with no end in sight. And that's how we like it. Even with everything that CEFI has achieved, we still have the audacity to say, "Watch out, world, you ain't seen nothing yet." Journey with us as we take the green from the sky on a bright summer's day and yellow from the rolling sea.
Sing the green from the sky on a bright summer's day and yellow from the rolling sea.